as we've been saying right from the time when this ordinance came about, and something that Mr. Singhvi pressed today in the Supreme Court, saying very categorically that the Lieutenant Governor is acting like a super chief minister. The Supreme Court, in fact, saying that we'll issue notices and asking for the matter for final hearing to be listed within 2 weeks. Having said that, there was definitely an issue about the fact that Mr. Singhvi continuously prayed and argued for the consultants who have been removed, saying that this is clearly unacceptable at this stage, using the ordinance and challenging the Solicitor General as well as the ASG, who was appearing there, to say that they didn't do it on the basis of the ordinance. So clearly, this ordinance has wide powers. They made it clear, and finally, the Supreme Court agreeing to hear this matter on Monday next, that is in a week's time, on these various points that have been raised by Mr. Singhvi. But the final hearing on the decision of the ordinance will be looked at. Mr. Singhvi is saying remove the special powers to the Delhi Act if you need to in the Constitution, but this is no way to go about the entire process. And it's in this backdrop that the court heard and finally decided initially for 2 weeks, but for interim relief in terms of those consultants who have been removed, saying that this has been done through an executive power to a specific query that was asked by one of the judges in the bench, and it's in that context that it was very categorically said this was done through an executive order using the ordinance's powers. And it's in that backdrop that Mr. Singhvi once again reiterating to the Supreme Court that the Lieutenant Governor is now acting like a super chief minister, and no less than Mr. Singhvi pointing out that the chief minister has been made to be in a body as a small adjunct where the LG and other people are to be appointed.
All right, Sunil, thanks so much for joining us with those latest developments.